Good morning, students. In 5th standard, last period, we will start our 11th chapter. 11th chapter name is Profit and Loss. Then we solve some examples of exercise 11.1. Then our next point is profit and loss of percentage. Profit and loss percentage. Then profit and loss percentage are always evaluate on cost price. Profit and loss are always evaluate on cost price. That is, profit percentage is equal to profit divided by cost price multiplied by 10. Profit and loss are always evaluated on cost price, that is CP. That is, profit percentage is equal to profit upon cost price, that is CP, multiplied with 100. And loss percentage is equal to loss upon cost price multiplied with 100. Loss upon cost price multiplied with 100. Then our first example is find profit or loss percent. Find profit or loss percent. Firstly, we have given cost price is equal to rupees 80 and selling price, that is SP, is equal to rupees 19. Then we have to find profit percentage. We know that cost price is less than selling price, so profit is equal to selling price minus cost price, that is rupees 90 minus rupees 80 is equal to rupees 10. Next we have to find profit percentage. Then profit percentage is equal to profit divided by cost price multiplied by 100. Profit divided by cost price multiplied by 100. That is, profit is rupees 10, that is 10 upon cost price is 80 multiplied with 100. Then 0 get cancelled. Then 10 ones are 10, 10 eights are 80. Then 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 2, 25s are 100. Then lastly we have given 25 upon 2, that is 12.5%. 12.5%. Next, second example. In second example, we have given that cost price is equal to rupees 1500 and selling price is equal to rupees 1300. Then we have to find loss percent. That is, since cost price is greater than selling price, then we get the loss, that is loss is equal to cost price minus selling price is equal to rupees 1500 minus rupees 1300 is equal to rupees 200. Then loss percentage is equal to loss upon cost price multiplied with 100. Loss upon cost price multiplied with 100, that is, we have given loss is rupees 200, that is 200 divided by 1500, cost price is 1500 multiplied with 100. Then 20 get cancelled. Then 200 upon 15 is equal to 40 upon 3, that is 13 1/3 percentage. Next example, third is find the selling price if cost price is equal to rupees 115 and profit is 20%. Profit is equal to 20%. Then solution, cost price is equal to rupees 150. cost price is equal to rupees 150. Then profit is equal to 20% of rupees 150, that is 20 upon 100 into 150. 0 0 get cancelled. 2 into 50 is rupees 30. Therefore selling price is equal to cost price plus profit. We have to find selling price. Then selling price is equal to cost price plus profit. Then rupees 150 plus rupees 30 is equal to rupees 180. Rupees 180. Next we have to solve exercise 11.2 related example to profit percent or loss percent. Here our topic is finish the profit and loss. Then our next topic is patterns. Next topic is 12th topic, patterns. Then we have given in the picture we have given one rangoli. Then hey, see this, what is a pattern it is. What is a pattern it is. Then we have given recall exercise. We have given recall exercise. Then complete the following pattern. We have given some incomplete patterns. Then we have to complete them. Here it is repetition. Repetition we get second example we have given one circle, one square. Next third one get with triangle. Next repetition again we get circle, next square and triangle. Then again here is circle, then we get next one is square and last one is triangle. Then we have third example is in the square. One square has four parts. One part is colored, secondly this colored, lastly this colored, and here in this dotted line we have given a square with, here it is colored. Then fourth example is we have given some numbers 40, 35, 30, 25, 20, that is difference of 2, 50, difference of 5, that is 50. Then next one is 10, next one is 5. Next we have given a pattern is a series of repeated objects or numbers. A pattern is a series of repeated objects or numbers. Numbers reflect beautiful patterns. Numbers reflect beautiful patterns which helps us to deal with them. For example, the difference between consecutive odd numbers is 2. Knowing this, we can easily write 5 consecutive odd numbers starting with 29, 31, 33, 35 and 37. Then this is patterns. That is, we have to serially write the odd numbers. That is, after 29, second odd number is 31. After 39, third odd number is 33. After 33, fourth odd number is 35. And after 35, fifth odd number is 37. Then our next point is triangular numbers. A triangular number is a figure a triangular number is a figure. The triangular number is a figure-8 number that can be represented in the form of triangular grid of points where the first row contains a single element and each subsequent row contains one more element than previous one. These numbers formed by practical sum of the series. These numbers formed by practical sum of series, that is 1, 2, 4 up to 9. This is illustrated below. For T1 is equal to 1, T2 is equal to 3. Therefore, up to so on, the triangular numbers are the 1, 1 plus 2 is 3, 1 plus 2 plus 3 is 5, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 is, so for n is equal to 1, 2 up to so on. So the first few are 1, 3, 6, 10, 15, 20, where n is natural number. Then we have given in a diagram for T1 is equal to 1, T2 is equal to 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. That is, we have given 1 plus 2 is 3. Next 3 is equal to first row, first dot, second row 2 dot, and in third row 3 dot. That is, the total dots are 6. Join them. Then third one is T4. T4 is equal to 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. That is T4 is equal to 10. Then T5 is equal to 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 is equal to 15. Then firstly we have given first row, first column 1 dot, second column 2 dots, third column 3 dots, fourth column 4 dots, and fifth column 5 dots. Then T5 is equal to 15. Addition of two consecutive triangular numbers give a perfect square. Addition of two consecutive triangular numbers give a perfect square. Then our next point is square numbers. The sum of any two consecutive triangular numbers is a square number. The sum of any two consecutive triangular numbers is a square number. When we multiply a number by itself, we get a square. When we multiply numbers by itself, we get a square number. That is, we have given 1 multiply with 1, that is, it is square number. Then 2 multiply with 2, that is 2 dots plus 2 dots. Join them, we get the square number. Then 3 multiply with 3, again we get square numbers. 4 multiply with 4, again we get square numbers. And 5 multiplied with 5 is also square numbers. The square numbers for n is equal to 1, 2 up to 6 up to so on, and 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 30 up to so on, where n is natural number. When n is natural number. Next are some important patterns. The first one is patterns of square numbers by using odd numbers. Patterns of square numbers by using odd numbers, that is 1 plus 3 is equal to 1 and 3 are odd number. Then pattern of square of by using odd number, that is 1 plus 3 is 2 square, that is 4. Then 1 plus 3 plus 5 is 5 plus 3 is 9, that is 3 is a square. 1 plus next one is next odd numbers, add 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 is equal to 4 square is equal to 16. 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 is equal to 5 square is equal to 25. Next one is another pattern for square numbers. That is 1 square is equal to 1, 2 square is equal to 1 plus 2 plus 1 is equal to 4, 3 square is equal to 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 square is equal to 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1, that is 16. Then 5 square is repetition of 1 to up to 5 plus again 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1 is equal to 25. Next, square of numbers having unit digit 5. Square of numbers having unit digit 5. In the number 15, the tens digit is 1. 1 more than 1 is 2. That is product of 1 and 2 is 2, and square of 5 is 25. That is 15 square is equal to 25. 1 more than 2 is 3. The 2 multiplied with 3 is equal to 6. That is 5 square is equal to 25. Then 25 square is equal to 625. Next, we have given exercise 12.1 or related examples to patterns. That is triangular numbers, square numbers. Then in next period we will see pattern in multiplication. Okay, thank you.